Chevrolet just made a decision that shocked the entire automotive world. They killed the Camaro, and then they brought it back more powerful, more aggressive, and more American than it has ever been in its 60-year history. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro, and this one is different from anything that came before it. Welcome back to Launch Rev USA. I'm your host, and today we are covering the most emotional comeback story in American automotive history. The Camaro is back, and it came back angry. Let's get into it. That front end is pure aggression from every angle. The grille is wider and lower than any previous Camaro. A massive open mouth ready to consume everything in front of it. The Chevrolet bow tie badge sits centered, gold on black, exactly right. Those LED headlights are razor thin and wrap around the corners of the car, giving the front end a face that is simultaneously angry and focused, like a fighter who has already decided they are going to win. Below the bumper, a carbon fiber front splitter with yellow accent stitching. Air intakes on each side feed cooling to the brakes and engine. Every opening has a purpose. Nothing is decoration. From the front, the 2026 Camaro looks like it is already moving at 150 miles per hour. The side profile is where 60 years of Camaro DNA is most visible. That long hood, the cabin pushed far back, the short rear deck. These proportions have defined the Camaro since 1967, and they are still perfect in 2026. The black racing stripes run from the nose all the way to the rear spoiler without interruption. The most classic muscle car graphic in automotive history. Those wheels, dark multi-spoke design with yellow brake calipers peeking through. The yellow calipers matching the body color is a detail that shows Chevrolet took this car seriously. The side body has been resculpted, deeper character lines, more muscular rear haunches, lower roof line. This Camaro looks like it has been working out since 2024. The rear of the 2026 Camaro is dramatic and purposeful. Full-width LED taillights connect across the entire rear, a design move that makes this car look wider and more planted than it actually is. The light signature at night is absolutely striking. That rear spoiler is functional, generating real downforce at high speed. Not a wing for show, a spoiler for grip. 4 exhaust pipes exit through the lower rear bumper, 2 on each side. At idle, they rumble. At full throttle, they thunder. This exhaust note is the soundtrack of American performance. The Chevrolet bow tie badge sits centered on the trunk, gold on black, simple, perfect, iconic. Sit inside and the Camaro cockpit wraps around you like a race car. Black leather everywhere with yellow stitching. Every seam, every edge, every detail in yellow that matches the exterior. This interior was designed to remind you what color your car is, even when you cannot see it. That flat-bottom steering wheel sits perfectly in your hands. Carbon fiber accents, yellow Chevrolet badge center, paddle shifters behind. This wheel's designed for one thing: control. The seats are sport buckets with aggressive bolstering. They hold you through corners without letting go. These are not comfort seats. These are performance seats that happen to be comfortable enough for a road trip. Looking out through the windshield, hood stretching in front of you, palm trees and Arizona mountains outside. This is the best office in the world. The 2026 Camaro brings genuine modern technology into an American muscle car package. A 13-inch digital instrument cluster gives you everything you need: RPM, speed, gear position, tire temperatures, lap timer. Every performance metric visible at a glance. The central infotainment screen runs Google built-in. wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. Over-the-air updates keep this car current without a dealership visit. Performance data recorder comes standard. A built-in camera and data logging system that records your driving with GPS overlay and performance metrics. Every run on a back road or track day recorded and saved automatically. Launch control, line lock, and drag mode are all standard equipment. Chevrolet designed this car knowing exactly how their customers were going to use it. Now the engine, and this is where the 2026 Camaro makes its most important statement. A supercharged 6.2-liter LT6 V8 engine, 670 horsepower, 620 pound-feet of torque, no turbocharger, no hybrid system, just displacement, supercharging, and American engineering taken to its limit. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. Quarter mile in 11.4 seconds. Top speed electronically limited to 198 miles per hour. That supercharger whine under hard acceleration, layered on top of the V8 exhaust note, creates a sound that is uniquely, completely, perfectly American. No European car sounds like this. No Japanese car sounds like this. This sound belongs to America. The rear-wheel drive platform means all 670 horsepower goes to the back wheels, exactly the way American muscle car buyers want it. Electronic stability control manages the power when you want it managed. Switch it off, and you have 670 horsepower and your right foot between you and chaos. That is the Camaro promise. That has always been the Camaro promise. Where does the 2026 Camaro stand against the competition? Ford Mustang Dark Horse, the obvious American rival. 500 horsepower, naturally aspirated V8, excellent chassis, but 170 horsepower less than this Camaro. The Mustang is great. The Camaro is greater. Dodge Challenger, the third member of the American muscle trinity, but Dodge has moved to electric with the Charger. The Challenger is discontinued. The Camaro just took the crown as America's last true V8 muscle car coupe. Porsche 718 Cayman, faster on a track, more technically sophisticated, but a Porsche cannot give you this sound, this presence, this identity. Nobody puts a Porsche poster on their bedroom wall. BMW M4, exceptional performance, German precision, genuinely outstanding. But the M4 costs significantly more and feels clinical where the Camaro feels emotional. The 2026 Camaro wins because it is the only car in this list that makes you feel something before you even start the engine. That yellow paint, those black stripes, that bow tie badge. This car has 60 years of emotion built into every panel. If the Camaro just reminded you why American muscle cars exist, subscribe to Launch Rev USA right now. We cover cars like this every single day, and tomorrow's video is already ready for you. Final verdict on the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro. This is the car for people who believe that driving should feel like something, who understand that 670 horsepower and rear-wheel drive is not a safety concern. It is a lifestyle choice, who know that yellow with black stripes is not a color combination. It is a declaration. Bumblebee yellow, black racing stripes, Arizona mansion, palm trees, mountains. This car was built for exactly this moment in exactly this place. The Camaro was canceled, and then it came back, because some things are too important to disappear. Some cars carry too much history, too much identity, too much American soul to simply stop existing. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro is proof that when something truly matters, it finds a way to survive. This is not just a muscle car. This is America refusing to give up. This is Launch Rev USA, bringing you the most passionate, most powerful cars on the planet every single day. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see you in the next one.